Hey YouTube, Zocko here, and black holes are incredibly powerful objects. Of course, they're singularities, which are technically the only actual parts of a black hole. The black part of it, which is what you think of with the black hole, is just an area where light can't escape. It's not a physical thing. But anyway, the singularities of black holes are infinitely small, and they have infinitely strong gravity. In fact, you can even time travel in the center of a black hole because of how weird they are, because gravity, at a stronger and stronger rate, causes time to slow and slow down. However, some black holes were discovered to have a very interesting characteristic which changes how they work: spin. Now, objects such as the Earth are spinning 23 hours 56 minutes every single day, or 24 hours technically when looking at the sun itself. And these objects have angular momentum. That's what the spin is. And one of the most basic rules of the universe is that angular momentum is always conserved. You can't lose it. So even if a star gets crushed down by the extreme just size of its outer layers into a black hole, if the star was originally spinning, the black hole will continue to spin, keeping the star's angular momentum. And this changes quite a lot of its elements. So, the singularity, an infinitely small point at the center of the black hole, becomes something else, a ringularity. Instead of being a central point, it's a two-dimensional ring. And this ring is infinitely thin because it's two-dimensional, but it is wide. You could see it from a top-down perspective. The black hole as well, just like how the Earth works, actually would bulge at the equator because it's spinning, and this causes mass to start to push out at the equator. And another interesting point is you can actually use this to get almost free energy, because spinning black holes have an area around them called the ergosphere, where their gravitational pull is not strong enough for you to fall in forever and get crushed, but it's strong enough to pull time around with the black hole as it spins. And you can actually abuse this by dropping an object into a black hole in the ergosphere, because half the object will go into the black hole and the other half will escape, taking some of the energy that's causing the black hole to spin with it, allowing you to almost get free energy from the black hole. And another thing is that since black hole singularities technically have a hole in the middle, they could actually be wormholes, enabling you to travel to the other side of the universe.